Hi, I'm Susie. I am one of the members of the Women's Engineering Society Young Members Board, and today I'm coming to you with a new STEM challenge video, and we are going to be making a periscope. So what you're going to need to make the periscope is some cardboard, a pencil, some scissors, some sticky tape or some PVA glue, some small mirrors, and an adult helper. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold your cardboard into a cuboid shape. So you fold it over once, and twice, and 3 times, and 4 times. That'll give you a cuboid shape. Now, with your adult helper, you can sellotape this. And there we have it. Now, the next thing that you're going to want to do is take your small mirrors and position them on your cardboard like so. Then you'll take the pencil and you'll draw an outline of the mirror. You'll end up with something like this. Now, watching carefully, you've just drawn here. You're going to flip the periscope and go down to the other side and do the same here. Then you'll take your scissors and you'll cut 3 edges of the square that you've just drawn. I'll show you the 3 edges to cut. Like this, and you can bend in the cardboard like that. You'll do the same to the other one. Now, the final step to making your periscope is sellotaping your mirrors onto the 2 flaps that you've just made, like this. And now you have a periscope. So the way that you can use this is that by looking in one side, you can see out the other. And believe it or not, I'm actually looking at the camera right now. And what's really cool about the periscope is that if I had an object right in front of me, I could see around it just by looking through. So how does it actually work? Well, the way that mirrors work is that the light that is incident upon them is reflected back, and that's how when you look in a mirror you can see yourself. Now if that mirror is angled, then the light will reflect at that angle. So what we have here is light entering and hitting this mirror, then at 45 degrees it's being reflected this way along the middle of the periscope. Then it hits the second mirror at 45 degrees again, and at this angle it reflects into my eye, and that is why I can see what's happening there when looking in here. So I really hope you liked this STEM challenge video, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas.